This is Mr. V. Welcome to this video series on interest. In this video I'm going to show you how to rearrange the simple interest formula. Just a reminder, this is the simple interest formula. I equals PIN, where P is the principal, I is the interest rate, N is the time in years, and A is the actual amount repaid should you need it, which is calculated by adding the principal and the interest. Here's my question. David has some bonds worth $6,000 paying interest of $82.50 every quarter. What interest rate are the bonds earning? I'm going to start with my rule. I equals PIN. Now this time I'm going to list off all of the variables that I need in my problem. So I, PIN. Capital I is the interest earned. And in this example, the interest paid is $82.50. P is the principal, the amount borrowed or invested, and David has some bonds as an investment worth $6,000. $6,000 is the principal. I is the interest rate, and we're actually asked to calculate that. So we don't know what the interest rate is. N is the term. We have every quarter, so the term is 1/4 of a year. Now we notice that we don't know what the interest rate is. So we're going to have to rearrange our equation to get that value. Let's give it a try. Our interest is $82.50, which equals the principal, $6,000, times I, the interest rate, times 1/4. I'm going to simplify this by putting these numbers together. So 6,000 times 1/4, 6,000 times 1 divided by 4, which is a quarter, equals 1,500. So 1,500 I can put a times symbol in there, times I equals 82.50. Now I've got I over here. I want to get it by itself. So I need to get rid of times 1,500. To get rid of times 1,500, I'm going to divide by 1,500, which gives me 82.50 divided by 1,500 equals I. I can put it on my calculator. 82.50 divided by 1,500 equals 0.055 equals I. And I can change that into a percentage by dividing by 100. Timesing by 100. My mistake. Timesing by 100, which is 5.5%, is the interest rate. Similar question. A fixed deposit income producing account is advertised as having 7.2% interest and paying interest every fortnight. What amount would you have to invest to get $150 a fortnight? So again, my rule is I equals PIN, but this time it is the P, the principal, that we don't know. So we're going to rearrange for P. Okay. My interest is $150. The principal, we don't know. The interest rate is 7.2%, which is the same as 0.72 as a decimal. And N is the number of years, and in this question we're asked a fortnight, so we're going to have a fraction of 1/26th of a year. 1 fortnight out of 26 fortnights in a year. I'm going to substitute that into my equation. I is 150 equals P, we don't know, times the interest rate, which is 0.072, times the term, which is 1 over 26. I'm going to simplify this. P times 0.072 times 1 divided by 26 equals, oh, that's a big number, 0.0027 dot dot dot. I'll leave that on my calculator. Now, I want P by itself, so we have P times this number. We're going to divide by that number to get rid of it. So we're going to divide by that number on the other side. 0027 dot 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 equals P. And I left that number on my calculator. That's my answer. So to calculate the answer, I'm going to go 150 divided by the previous answer, which I can find by pressing this button, the answer button. Answer equals 54166.67 dollars. So the principal that should be invested is $54,166.67.